2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the beat back.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kasha, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Gripix scale in this nice big old box here. Let's go take a look, shall we? Oh, there's a little person next to me. I think he's excited to see the scale too. So here we go, nicely wrapped. Ooh. And there's something in here, a battery. The battery stuck on the side. Oh look, and there's batteries here too. Some more batteries. Oh, look at that. Okay, that comes off. Oh look, and this is a nice plastic protector, which, you know, you can keep on. So if your hands are all wet and nasty, you could easily just wipe this off. And if you don't want it on there, you can just pull it off. But I'm gonna leave it on there. So I'm using this in my kitchen. You can either plug it in into the wall, or we can use these heavy duty E batteries. Since my cord is a little far, I don't want to go over my island here. I'm just going to, oh look, just like that. Okay, I thought I needed a screwdriver or something. So, drop the batteries in. Okay. The bottom there is an on and off button. I was wondering what was going on. Up, see, there it goes. Now it is on. Okay, we have our weight, kilograms or pounds. So if you want to change it from kilograms to pounds, I just hold this button for 3 seconds and it'll change. See, kilograms. And since I'm in the States, I do everything in pounds. Ooh, look at the light. So I'll see what it goes up to over here. So it goes up to 66 pounds. And as little as 200 grams. I just picked a ton of okra from the garden. Let's see how much that will weigh. So I'm not really going to use the pricing thing here. Well, you know what? Pricing would be good if you're selling like soap or things bulk, or if you're going to use this in your store, that would be great. But for what I'm using it for at the moment, I'm not worried about the unit price. Let's see, it goes back down. Pretty good. Pretty good. And there's also, you can see on the other side, if you had this up on the top counter, everyone could see the weight. And then if you put a price in, let's see, let's put in a price. Let's say that I was at the farmer's market and I went to sell my okra for, I don't know, let's say $1.99 a pound, and I put that on there. It'll tell you how much the weight is, and then how much they owe me. There it goes, $6.81, and that's what they should be able to see on their side. So you would be on this side because you're the operator, and they would be on this side because they are the customer. You can see your weight, how much per pound or kilogram if you're going kilogram, and the sum. And that will be all for this scale, this Gripix scale here. Weighs up to 66 pounds. Ooh, saying that, I'm curious. Let me see the baby. Wonder how much my son weighs. No, I know it's not a baby scale, but let's see how much my little man weighs. just wants to touch. I could weigh my little one on here. Yeah, because he's only 19 pounds. I mean, I know it's not a baby scale, but it's what you can weigh anything. It was big enough for him. But thank you for tuning in to my video. Make sure you pick up your Gripix scale for all your needs. Whatever you may need to weigh if you're doing some precise cooking. But like I said, it only goes up to 200 grams, so maybe not, unless you're doing like bulk cooking. That'd be a lot of salt. Yeah, if you're doing like bulk cooking, like when I make super satay, I will do a video later on when I do super satay. Right now it's way too hot. It's 109 degrees outside. But when it gets cooler, I will make sure to use this a lot in my future videos, so you can see this scale in some action. Okay, thank you all for tuning in. Right now it's not plugged in, but you know, if I needed to, I can plug this in so I can charge batteries with this. They're rechargeable batteries. Or if you don't even want to use batteries, just have it plugged in. If you have it sitting on your counter or whatnot. And the on and off button, which I didn't see the first time, on the very bottom. And it's not heavy, it's pretty light. It's probably about, I'd say it's about 2.5 pounds or 3 pounds. Yeah, not too heavy. Thank you for joining in, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye-bye. Oh, and by the way, if you have any questions, please just ask them down below. Thank you.